Papasalamat din po ako sa aking nanay dahil she's very supportive and she always tells me and supports me to become a better person each day. At magpapasalamat din po ako syempre sa Star Cinema, Star Creators, especially to Ms. Malu Santos and Ms. Olive Lamasa for trusting me with this project. Grabe. I didn't expect to land this project. And to my director, of course, Binibining Joyce Bernal, thank you for believing in me. To Governor Ms. Vilma Santos Vector and Ms. A.J. Lucien, thank you for letting me be part of this wonderful project. Dahil kayo po ay definition ng magaling artista ako po ay sinali ninyo. So maraming salamat po to my home network, ABS-CBN, maraming salamat to my wonderful